the holidays during the summer period. For many parents, the summer holidays are a challenge for them. They find it difficult to have their children around them 24/7 in the home and to busy them with something. So sadly, a lot of parents will relegate their responsibilities towards their children. And they will condemn them to endless hours of TV, gaming, irresponsible browsing through social media platforms. Much of this are irreversible consequences. And that is why the Prophet ﷺ, he said, as Ibn Hibban narrates on the authority of Anas, إِنَّ اللَّهَ سَائِلٌ كُلَّ رَاعٍ عَمَّا اسْتَرْعَاهُ أَحَفِظَ أَمْ ضَيَّعَ. Allah is going to ask every shepherd about his flock on the day of judgment, whether you upheld that trust or you betrayed it. حَتَّى يُسْأَلَ الرَّجُلُ عَنْ أَهْلِ بَيْتِهِ, till each man will be asked about the members of his household. It's a question to be awaited on the day of judgment. So plan a program of activity for yourself and for your children this summer holiday. And allow it to be a variety of activities. There is some tarbiyah, there is some nurturing, fostering of Islamic values. There's some qira'ah reading, some Qur'an, but there's also some leisure. There's also visiting of friends, visiting of family, visiting the masjid. Come to your masjid and urge the committee members to think innovatively and create programs for the youth that are outside of the realm of Qur'an circles. We need it, but we need also more. Then turn to yourself this summer as a parent. Learn a new craft. Ya Akhi al-Kareem, learn a new skill this summer season. Traditionally, it was thought that in order to acquire knowledge of a topic, you needed to invest 10,000 hours worth of learning. But who can do that? After all, that's equivalent to full-time work for around 5 years. Who can do that? But this is a misunderstanding. What this research is saying to you, if you want enhanced expert levels of knowledge in ultra-competitive fields, that's what you need to do. We're not talking about that. We're talking about a new craft that you and I can learn this summer. And they say for you to grow from a position of zero competency in something, to a position of quite competent in it, you only need 20 hours of immersion. 20 hours of study, and we will reach a level of competency in anything by Allah's permission. And that's equivalent to 45 minutes for 30 days. That covers the summer holidays very nicely. And that's why our predecessors would say, إِذَا مَرَّ بِي يَوْمٌ وَلَمْ أَقْتَبِسْ هُدًى وَلَمْ أَسْتَفِدْ عِلْمًا فَمَا ذَاكَ مِنْ عُمُرِهِ. If a day of my life passes by, whereby I don't increase in guidance or increase in knowledge, then I disown that day. It is not part of my life. That's message number one. The holidays, let's plan early.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.